In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under distributive trade. So focus on the subtopic, the retailer in distributive trade. So guys, we have 9 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, stocking small quantities of a variety of goods is a function of the real consumer, retailer, wholesaler, manufacturer. So the answer is option B, which is retailer. Next question I have here is this one. It says, which of these is a middleman in the chain of distribution? We have a banker, an entrepreneur, a retailer, a producer. The right answer is option C, which is a retailer. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, a major function of the retailer is to generate demand for products through advertisement, break bulk and sell products in small units, grant credit to the wholesaler, reduce cost of distribution. The right answer is option B, which is to break bulk and sell products in small units. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, the last link in the chain of distribution is what? We have consumer, wholesaler, retailer, producer. So this is very simple. The right answer is option A, which is consumer. The next question is this one. It says, the best channel of distribution of baked bread is through, we have wholesalers to retailers, then to consumers, retailers to consumers, wholesalers to consumers, direct sales to consumers. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, which is retailers to consumers. Okay, next question is this one. It says, a major effect of a long distribution chain is we have scarcity of commodities, low producer earnings, high retail prices, low retail prices. Okay, so the answer to this question, a major effect of long distribution chain is high retail prices. Okay, the next question is this one. It says, an important function of the retailer is to generate demand for products through advertisement. I think we have already answered this question, is to break bulk and sell products in small units, option D. Alright, the next question is this one. It says, a retailer is distinguished by the nature of its sales, which is in bulk, chain, large units. So the right answer is option D, guys. Take note of this question, which is what? In units, option D. Last question before I end this video is this one. It says, the following are functions of a retailer except advertising the goods, bearing the risk of fall in prices, giving credit facilities to consumers, bringing the goods nearer to consumers. Okay, so the following are functions of the retailer except, the exception here, guys, is bearing the risk of fall in prices. Okay, so guys, this basically can do problems involving the retailer, a subtopic in distributive trade. We practice with 92 questions for this subtopic, retailer. Hope there's something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Now if you from what you learned from the video, if you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the JAMB button and getting premium information to help you to excel in your external exam, like a JAMB and other external exams for writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.